Me.
Oh, yeah, us.
This is it.
He's me.
Truck is loaded.
Didn't you bring
Camp
me?
Terrell. Here we go.
Me?
These guys are riding in air conditioning.
Didn't you bring me?
I'm not so lucky. Here's Mommy and the boys. See you later.
Billy, this
All right. We've loaded everything up. Trying to figure out how to get down to the camp. And here's our host.
Hey guys.
All right.
That means you have to take this off and then put the legs in first.
For bear box.
So that's the way you know it's
Why
stable.
don't we flip the bear box on the side? Put the legs in from the up position so you can see what you're doing.
Take them like a kid. These guys line up. These are our boys.
How to cut.
All right, there it is. We have a serious guy going to show us how to cut.
This is how you cut.
Skylar,
Your
if
dinner.
you're watching, I know
Dessert.
you will.
Dinner, dessert.
Be a YouTube.
Skylar, if you're watching,
You take
and I
the
know you
spatula.
will,
And
we
we
have
go.
time.
Straight down the middle.
Wow, this looks hard.
It's not just the slide, it's an up and down.
Alright, then you kind of eyeball it and you look for where the third might be. So
Flex.
Justin, you taking notes?
that seems good. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. You know, I had a guy show me how to cut pizzas once and it was similar. All right.
Boys going back. Are you kidding me right now?
Heavy duty game with tetherball going.
Yo, where is he? Arrow! Arrow!
Do you want to wait for the waiters?